fine, I'm fine. Good to see you. And is Vandana. Okay, okay. So many congratulations to you, Mr. Hell, for passing out the NABOSH at the age of 22 years. Okay,
Yes.
after doing the petroleum engineering. Okay, okay. So how do you feel about completion of the NABOSH after immediately doing the engineering? Okay, can you just brief me?
Yeah, actually I'm feeling very proud now. I'm very happy
Achha.
because while doing my BTech also I was not that happy like now I am.
Is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
because this was a bit different certification. It was a bit tough to do. And like me being as a fresher, I had no experience. So Suraj sir and you also motivated while the curriculum, and it was a very interesting certification to do.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm just handing over your certificate to you. Many congratulations to you, Mr. Suhan. Very good. This is your certificate, and this is an NABOSH certification, and this is your course completion from the 3 years. Okay. We are thankful to you for joining 3 years Lectures Academy. Okay. So I'll give it to Vandana. You can have some question with him. Okay.
Yeah. So just say अचानक से NABOSH इंजीनियरिंग करने के बाद कैसे कनेक्टिविटी किया और क्यों मतलब इस कोर्स को इमीडिएटली करने को सोचा?
When I was doing my BTech, my brother, he briefed me about NABOSH IGC. At that time, I was not sure what is NABOSH IGC, and I had no information. What is it? Then I came, like we had a subject. It was health safety in environment. So there I learned about safety. Then I thought like I'll build my career as a safety, like safety officer. Then like at the end of my BTech, we had a forum from Scholar Gate. I don't remember the name. So they gave me a brief introduction about NABOSH IGC.
Okay.
So then I started taking interest in joining NABOSH IGC. So then
because petroleum engineering you require more safety.
Yeah.
That's why they saw certification course, so
Yes.
you
So
will make update about all the
yeah.
safety things.
And this is like there is more demand for NABOSH IGC in Gulf countries.
Okay, okay.
So my plan is to go out and do it, like start my career. So this is the best way for a fresher to start his career.
So lots of institutions are there.
Yeah.
So why you selected the 3 years for this NABOSH? How you selected the 3 years?
No, I contacted many institutes. So there also I inquired like what is the process and what and all curriculum. Like what is the process?
Okay, okay.
So like in 3 years I find it very interactive while doing it, and you were also very friendly because Subhash sir always very friendly, which builds a self-confidence that yeah I can do it, I can study here. Even I asked my brother, even he was like it is a tough course to clear in a first attempt, so you better think before joining. And you gave me confidence that no you can do it. So
You can do it is a very special word actually, and we tell many people when we do the counseling, okay, when we understand their skills, okay. See, NABOSH can be done for everyone, okay. If you have some focus on the 1 month, particular focus on the curriculum and the method of answering the questions, understanding the scenario, everybody can do, okay. But only the problem is unable to connect with the scenarios and unable to write the proper answer, okay. Good. Swell, you was talking about something forum, okay. You quoted about the forum in your college, okay. And you quoted about your brother is working in Middle East, okay. Okay. So from them you came to know about the NABOSH. When it was the time when you heard about the NABOSH?
Like I was in my second year, I guess.
Okay, you were in second year, so could be in 2018?
Yeah.
2018. Okay. So your brother told me after the completion of the engineering.
He told me that it is a pretty good course.
Uh-huh.
So because it is related to safety.
Correct.
And at that time, I was not sure whether I will be doing it or not.
Okay. And you quoted about the forum. Which forum you was talking about?
It was related to oil and gas safety.
Forum and the internally at your college?
Not in the college, outside.
Okay.
It was through LinkedIn.
Okay.
I don't know. I got the recommendation. I wanted to see what is it. So there I came across what are safety precautions we take in oil and gas companies.
So, and also you quoted about you had a curriculum, health and safety environment in your curriculum of the petroleum engineering.
Yes.
So that health and safety environment and the curriculum of the NABOSH, do you find something?
Yes.
Something
Yes,
is common?
Common is like the safety.
Common is the same.
Safety, PPEs, what we initiate and what are the precautionary measures.
Okay.
These are the common things. But NABOSH IGC is, practically it is a bit different with the HSE route what I have studied. Here, I learned many things, how to do risk assessment, how to assess the risk, and what are the precautionary measures according to the hierarchy how we should.
Hierarchy of control measures, elimination,
Yes,
substitution, administrative engineering, and step by step.
Step by step, yeah. These are the things which I learned new, which I wasn't aware while studying.
So after the clearing the NABOSH at the age of 22 years in the first attempt, and you said like your brother told me it's little quite tough.
Yes.
So did you tell him that cleared the NABOSH in the first attempt?
Yeah, now I can tell. Yes.
Okay.
So, whatever the some difficulties you faced during the preparations, it is really tough, or you are feeling that no, it is easy, it is not a tough.
The starting of my course, I felt that I would not cope up with it because it was all the colleagues who were with us studying, they were experienced and they shared their experience and learned from that. So we had no experience. I was a fresher. I wasn't aware of anything what happens in the field. But Suraj sir, he told us like these are the things, these are how it is being done in the company. So that helps us a lot while studying.
Okay, so
And,
what is according to you, what made you to success in the first attempt? What are the things are there? Can you point out any 5 or 10 things?
The most important thing I can tell is the homeworks which we are given by
Daily
Suraj sir.
homeworks,
Yeah, daily
yeah.
homeworks.
That is a
I don't think so any other institute gives that. But daily homeworks, makes us rectify our mistakes.
Yeah.
So, Suraj sir, used to review our homeworks personally and comment on it and tell us to, improve on it. Yeah, that helps us a lot in clearing the exam. You have to do the homeworks step by step. The procedure we have to follow. He tells the procedure to follow. We have to go with that. So that helps us a lot in clearing the exam.
That I am suggesting each learner to do the daily homework
Yes.
and after that mock assessments raised.
Yes.
So here I come to one point.
Yes.
NABOSH could be tough,
Yes.
okay, or could be easy, okay. All depends, like you are witness and you are admitting that. So initially we are not able to cope up as you have been very fresh, just college passed out, petroleum engineering, BTech engineer, but you didn't have the experience, okay. In spite of that, in clearing the NABOSH in the first attempt, and you quoted that we could able to cope up because of the homework,
Yeah.
okay, and the mock practice, what you have been doing it,
Yes.
and the tutors what reverting you back with some corrections,
Yes.
okay, that making you more fine-tuned, okay. If the learners, you used to say like if the learners are not able to participating in the mock practice and the homework could be tough, NABOSH could be tough, and the NABOSH is tough, and it could make it easy if you practice this.
Yes.
That's what you used to say, is it?
Yes, correct, sir.
So correct, no?
Yeah.
So-
While you do the homework and submit, So sir reviews it
Correct.
and gives like you will score this much in the exam.
Okay.
He gives us approximate you can score this much.
Okay.
So this builds confidence.
This is
KPI.
Yeah, the confidence is what we want here to clear the exam.
Correct. So, you passed out from the engineering. So, do you recommend this for others, colleague of your classmate to you, like to do the NABOSH?
Yeah, obviously, sir. I will recommend.
You
This
recommend?
is the best way to get into safety.
Okay.
After completing BTech, I have done in petroleum.
Right.
Petroleum, now or in future we require safety.
Okay.
Safety is there, but the certification will be required.
Correct.
And it may be like they may make it as a mandatory in future. So I will recommend surely.
You will recommend, okay?
That also I suggest ki it is not like that you are going to be a HSC professionals and the safety professionals, but whatever the work you are going to do, if this small certification of 1 month and the 2 months, because it is not a 1 year of certifications, to do these 2 months of certifications, at least make you aware about all the safety process, whatever the work you are going to do. Like process engineering, you are in the production department, you are in the maintenance department. So at least whatever the work you will do with the safety.
Yeah,
Because NIBOS is so like when we complete this NIBOS, so it is totally in our mind safety. 2 months, 3 months, okay. This only the safety is in our mind. We are sleeping with the safety, we are eating with the safety, everything with the safety because of the toughness of the NIBOS course.
Yeah.
No, it is good. See, when we talk about the occupational health and safety, see, everybody as a human being, you, me, and everyone has the aim to live a good life, okay? And to live a happy life, and to live a long life. Good life, happy life, and long life. How this is going to be achieved? Okay? How this good life, happy life, and long life is going to be achieved? Unless until you have been protected from all the occupational injuries, accidents, and diseases and fatalities. Okay? Whatever the work you do, if you have not been protecting yourself with occupational hazards, then you cannot have the 3 things in your life. Okay? You cannot have the good life, you cannot have the happy life, you cannot have the long life. Okay? So it is a very mandatory need actually. Every human needs today to live, protect ourselves from all different natures of the occupational health hazards risk. Okay, so good. So
Can you give me 5 points which students when they join the NIBOS course or when they are going to think okay I have to join the NIBOS course, so they have to go through these 5 points about the passing the NIBOS in first attempt.
Passing in first attempt. Yeah.
Huh.
For in this institute, I can tell here, we give the teachers give us homework first thing. Second is we have mock papers. So solving mock papers, gives you an idea how we go during the exam day. We have to write that exam in 24 hours. So in first attempt, while I was doing my mock paper, I did not finish it in 1 day. No, it took me around 2 days, more than 2 days. So gradually with practice it reduced. So basically here in institute teachers gives us practice papers, so to cope up with that practice and make it solve in 24 hours. That is the second thing. Third thing is we have a separate doubt clearance session here. So whatever doubts we have, it will be cleared. So that is the main thing. We have a lot of doubts. As a fresher, we have a lot of doubts. We have no knowledge about what is going on. So that is a mandatory thing. So these are the 3 things I can tell. I remember now.
So how was your motivation when I was coming to the?
Yeah, actually I was motivated, sir. During the session, I was I may not clear. So after listening to your motivation speech, I was confident I know I can do it. I will be.
So how much score you aim? I made you aim?
It was more than 65.
65.
Yes.
Okay. So that helped you to think a little higher side?
Yeah, obviously.
Good.
So okay, what whatever the things are there. Just can you tell me about your journey when you joined
Yes.
and after the like passing the
Yeah.
devotion? So the small points can you tell?
Yeah, before joining, like you helped me a lot by the process, and I started taking classes with Suraj sir. At starting, I felt like it is a bit tough because there were a lot of concepts to go. Somewhere similar because safety is a basic which I had before in my college, but somewhere new terms which were related to field. So Suraj sir used to give us examples. And the main task was like doing the risk assessment report, which yes, Subhash sir helped me a lot during that because I had no knowledge about field. So for me, identifying an hazard and putting eliminatory points there, it is a bit difficult for me. So, but gradually, with time, sir, because of the friendly staff, I was able to complete with that in time actually.
Lots of doubt sessions
Yeah,
were there.
lots of doubt clearance sessions were also provided after completing 1 month. After completing 1 month, we had every week we had actually I was there for 2 months. So every week we had doubt clearance session. So and if I had doubt personally, we had also messaged Suraj sir, like he would have texted us back with the with this thing resolution.
So how's your feeling about your parents and because parents are aware about this, you are doing this Nabosh.
Yes.
Okay. Do the parents know about the benefit of the Nabosh while you are doing it?
No, actually I briefed them.
Okay.
They are happy. Like I had cleared this first
yeah,
attempt.
yeah.
I told them like it is a different certification. It is a UK certification. It is a bit tough, and clearing it in first attempt and they were
Great achievement.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And how was your mom was thinking which exam my son is writing 24 hours?
Yes, she used to call relatives and tell he's writing exam. The whole night he was awake. He's writing some different exam.
So, is any difference you find offline? Because I remember when you called me, ma'am, is there any offline sessions? So now when you completed, so according to you, can you tell some things about this offline and online?
Yeah. While I joined, I had online classes in BTech also. So there it was a bit difficult to remember things. So I was like, whatever I do, I should go offline and study now. But when I joined online, I had more time to interact. It was not kind of online. It was like offline for me while I was doing because there were interacting sessions.
It was a two-way.
Yeah, two-way interacting sessions which gives you more knowledge. So when you go one way, it is not good to learn. You won't learn.
So you feel happy now, feel proud.
Yeah, I am happy.
Good. So your prouding certificate with you now.
Thank you.
Many congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
God bless you. This is your certificate. Okay. 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 So all the best to you, sir. देखेंगे आगे कैसा होता है. Don't worry about the careers.
Yeah.
You'll get a good careers. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.